Dobar dan, ballroom umoy kanal, sto posto bosanka, ja sam Luna, ali danas nema ballroom umoju kuhinju. Ja imam puno posla. Prije, ja sam uredila moju tezu, tako? Ja naučim doktorat u Lozanu. Ja imam puno stvari za pisati, tako? Evo, tako. I onda bilo je posla za prevoditi iz Tajlandu. I sada ja pridajem engleski za 4 studentica. I Nomaklan ja predajem u ponedjeljak, utorak, četvrtak, petak i subota. Tako da na večer ja i moj medeni ćemo nešto lakše zapraviti ko kavrguča, tjestijan, pasta, sup i trahane. Tako, nemam puno vremena. I kad ja imam vremena, opet ja hoću vratiti u kuhinju. I hvala da gledaj danas i vidimo se drugi put u kuhinju. So, I would like to say that finally I'm back to my channel, but not in my kitchen because I have a lot of things to do. First of all, I had to revise my thesis. It's a big revision, a lot. I had to write a lot to change some points that I had to prepare for the final defense. And it's been like 1 month and I really focused on it. And then it was a translation job from Thailand calling me, and now I teach English for 4 students. So I teach like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. So Saturday I have to wake up in the early morning to teach because there is a time difference. And then in the evening, during the weekdays, I only cook something easy to eat like kavrgucha, soup, trahana, and like pasta. So it doesn't take my time a lot. Then when I have time again, I will go back to my kitchen and we'll see you in my kitchen again. And thank you for watching today. See you next time. Bye.